So I just wanted to take a minute to big up Island Shipping because they've actually just made my life so much more convenient. I just had a great experience with them. It being the holidays and everything, I'm trying to get things back home. And normally when I try and ship things, like I'll have multiple shipments and things will be like under a pound, and these companies are charging me per pound to send things home. So I dread sending things back home, being that it costs so much. It's like you got to pay all this money for your items and then ship it and be charged an arm and leg. Well, Island Shipping actually was able to combine multiple shipments into one and then charge me accordingly, like that, opposed to per pound. So they save me so much more money. Like they're so time efficient, cost efficient. Like they've just made this whole holiday season process for me so much easier. Like I can go out and spend more money to send things now that I know it's gonna get there and I can afford to send it. So once again, big ups to Island Shipping. I can't wait to utilize you for the rest of the season.